We all suffer from hearing deterioration as we age, and we may need assistance to hear better. This video demonstrates how the Linner Nova hearing aids work. The Linner Nova hearing aids have a look akin to AirPods, and they are made for people with mild to moderate hearing loss. They have a few unique features that set them apart from other hearing aids on the market. In this review, I'll be taking a closer look at the features, performance, and overall user experience of these hearing aids. Let's start with unboxing. The Linner Nova hearing aids come in a hard plastic hinged case. 4 sizes of ear tips are included, along with a USB-C to USB, a charging cable, and a 3.5mm auxiliary cable. The case also includes what Linner calls the Connect and a user manual. Linner Nova hearing aids are wireless earbuds that are designed to look like AirPods, but with color-coded buttons for each ear. They are specifically designed to help people with mild to moderate hearing loss by amplifying sounds and reducing noise. They are also antibacterial and water-resistant, making them suitable for various environments and activities. They are compatible with Bluetooth 5.2 devices, such as smartphones, tablets, and TVs, and can be controlled via an app that allows you to adjust the volume, switch between modes, and check the battery status. You can use them as wireless headphones for listening to music, watching videos, or making phone calls. These earbuds can last up to 4 hours on a single charge, and the charging case can recharge them multiple times. Let's take a closer look at the hearing aids themselves. They are made of plastic and feel lightweight and comfortable in my ears. They have microphones on both sides that pick up sounds from your surroundings and amplify them according to your preferences. They also have speakers that deliver clear and crisp sound quality without feedback or distortion. The buttons on the stems allow for adjusting volume, switching modes, answering calls, and more. One thing you may be wondering is how these hearing aids look when you wear them in public. Well, I have to say that they look quite similar to other wireless earbuds on the market, like the AirPods from Apple. They have a sleek and modern design that can blend in well with any outfit or style. One of the main features of these hearing aids is their volume enhancement function, which allows me to hear better in various situations. I can easily change the volume by pressing buttons on either the earbud or using sliders on my app screen, depending on how loud or quiet I want things to be around me. These hearing aids can amplify sounds up to 40 decibels louder than normal headphones, which is great if you have mild to moderate hearing loss like me. Linner Connect is a small device included with the Nova hearing aids, and it serves 2 purposes: TV mode and mic mode. The TV mode allows you to connect the Connect device to your TV's headphone jack and stream the audio wirelessly to the Nova hearing aids. This feature is handy if you want to watch TV without disturbing others, or if you have difficulty hearing the TV's audio. The mic mode allows you to use the Connect device as an external microphone. It has a range of up to 66 feet, which means you can use it to listen to conversations from a distance. This feature is beneficial for people with hearing difficulties who want to listen to lectures, meetings, or conversations from a distance. The last thing I want to talk about is their hearing clarity and different sound modes. These hearing aids have 4 preset sound modes that you can switch between depending on your environment. In conclusion, the Linner Nova hearing aids are a great option for those looking for a more affordable and accessible hearing aid solution. They offer significant volume enhancement, easy-to-use features, and a sleek design that blends in with everyday use. The included Linner Connect device also adds additional functionality for TV streaming and external mic usage. Well, that's all for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you all next time.